Hi, Mom. Uh, yeah, th- yeah. This is your son. Um, well, yeah. How's your day been going? And that's nice. Um, well, I've been at the grocery store. Yeah. And I was gonna pick up some groceries. Yeah, Mom. Well, I'm glad you're proud of me. Well, I'm not finished yet. Well, I was no, nothing bad, Mom. I was just walking by and I accidentally tripped on some boxes of soda. And yeah, it all came crashing down. And, well, yeah, it made a big mess. And, yeah, Mom, it was a big mess. Well, I was trying to get out of the way. I ran over a guy with my cart. Yeah, well, I'm not done yet. And I ran into a pile of cereal, and all spilled open and spilled all over the floor. And well, yeah, Mom, it is a big mess. Um, and so I'm here at the supermarket, and I'm gonna need $150, Mom. Mom, you all right, Mom? Mom?